Let us learn about genes and some characters. As you see that we are resembling with our parents in some characters, and in somehow we are different from our parents. Sometimes our characters resemble to mother, sometimes our characters resemble to our father. Sometimes we have the resemblances with our grandparents also. So how this happen and what is the main reason behind this? So if you know the term genetics means study of genes, and inheritance means when the characters are inherited from one generation to the next generation. So in genetics, we study the inheritance of characters, that is heredity. So when we carry some characters from our parents, that is genes are transmitted from our parents to us, then it is the transmission of characters. So genes, where are genes located? So actually everybody having the different kinds of the cells, and each cell having the nucleus, and inside the nucleus chromosomes are present. So in case of human beings, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. So out of 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair is sex chromosome. If female, then it is X and X, and if male, then it is X and Y chromosome. So this is how you can differentiate between the male and female depending upon the type of chromosome XX and XY. Now these are present in the chromosomes, or you can say that DNA or the genes which are located inside these chromosomes. So there are many genes, about 20,000 to 30,000 genes in one cell. So these genes, some genes are active and some genes are passive. So only few genes remain active, or they just transmit to next generation. So if genes are transmitted from the autosomes, then it is autosomal inheritance. If genes are transmitted through the X or a Y, then it is the sex-linked inheritance. So in this way, we inherit the characters from our parents through the transmission of genes. So the main role is the gene. So gene is a blueprint, or you can also say that DNA is also blueprint of our life. So this is a blueprint. So this is how you can know about the gene, chromosomes, DNA, and nucleus and the cell. So starting from the cell, then nucleus, then come the chromosomes, DNA, and genes. So genes are, there are the means correct genes, they are expressed in the form of characters. So characters having the, in some cases, always one character having the one dominant character, one recessive character. So one alternate of that gene is the allele, that is named as the allele. So suppose if one person is tall, other person is having less height, or you can say dwarf, or in median. So it means that tall is designated by two characters, tallness and dwarfness. So this is how the gene and allele work. So you come to know later on about the blood group, about different characters like eye color, shape of our hair, curly or straight, then our height, then our skin color, which is multiple allelic, controlled by multiple alleles, then blood group, then so many characters which are under the control of gene. So this is about the gene.